Business class? Thank you. Salud.
So I can do yoga.
This one. Hey, you look so Persian right now. Salud. I think that's cream. So we're gonna make out for the next 3 hours.
So this is my 3rd time flying business, and I'm really excited. As the first time. It's my first time flying business, and even more excited probably because my sister Marita is flying with us. And
She looks so excited.
Yes. She wants to act, bougie.
Technology's not perfect. The camera didn't recognize me, so I had to go to the side door. But we're all good. Same with her. Let's go. Let's go. Business class? Thank you. Oh, we're in the back. We'll see you soon. Okay. We'll see you in Frankfurt.
Okay.
Just kidding. We'll visit. We even have our own luggage compartment.
Yeah. I have so much space here, I don't even reach. So I can do yoga.
We can drink orange juice, water, or sparkling wine.
Sparkling wine.
Sparkling wine for you?
Thank you so much. In this bag, we have this is your mattress that you're going to put on your chair.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so that's your mattress. This is your pillow. And then this is your blanket. We have water. Very important to stay hydrated, especially if you're going to drink wine and be up in the air. So goodies bag, Porsche design. Peppermint. This is for your headset to keep it clean. Comfy socks to keep warm. Toothpaste and toothbrush. Moisturizing hand cream. And lip balm. All to stay hydrated while you fly up in the sky.
Ready, go. Salud. Hello. You've just been given today's menu. This one.
Can I get you something else to drink?
Bon appetit. Or as they say in German, I don't know. Hey, are you gonna eat?
Not right now,
Why not?
because I ate like an hour ago.
Balsamic vinegar for the salad, little butter for the bread, and shrimp. Good morning.
So good. Good morning. I slept like for these 4 hours, went to bed at midnight our time.
But you probably still slept better than you would have back then.
Oh yeah, for sure. Guaranteed.
All right, we made it to Frankfurt, the first leg on our business class flight to Iran. How did you feel?
Good. It was a little hard to fall asleep, but I did eventually. I didn't really eat at all. I didn't feel like I needed it because we had such a huge meal at the lounge. So it was relaxing overall.
How was your first ever business class experience?
Very neat. I got to see some good movies, leg space, food, teas, champagne, alles gut.
This is what it's like inside first class. I don't think I've ever seen a lounge for smoking in an airport. This lounge is really nice. It's got a real businessy feel. So you see a lot of people on computers working, kind of taking care of business, handling business. Obviously, we're in a business class lounge, so you have probably higher net worth individuals here. It's also very spacious, and the chairs are very nice, leather, enjoyable, and the food is pretty good as well. So a nice transition in between flights. After a long flight in business class, what better to do than take a shower to get ready for your next flight in business class? All right, got my shower in, feeling really nice, really good. Got some German sausage and some French fries with yuca fries and some miso soup. They've got beers. How are you liking this lounge living?
It's really nice. I got to do some work, I showered, I ate. The food is okay, especially in comparison to the first lounge. It's like, you know, very different.
Hey, you look so Persian right now.
I'm sleepy.
Just show, you look Persian with the Rusari. Salam. We boarded the plane here in Frankfurt. Our next stop is Tehran, Iran. I have not been there for 23 years. I'm so excited to see it with the fam. She's already got the Rusari going. Sing it. Daram Iran. Daram Iran. Daram Iran. We already saw a little bit of the chaos as we were boarding the plane. Basically, the lines collapsed. There was no lines to get on the plane. It was just a mob of people, and you had to push your way in. We had one lady saying, I have kids, I get to board before you, and trying to push past us. And we said, hey, we're business class. So she said, well, why didn't you board earlier? Then hurry up and board. So anyway, part of the fun of the Iranian culture.
We should have our last wine here in business class because we will not be drinking in Iran for 2 weeks. So this is going to be our last drink. And not that we usually drink, but alcohol is strictly forbidden in Iran.
Alcohol is forbidden in Iran, so this is our last drink for 2 weeks.
That's what I said.
That's not what you said.
What did I say?
You didn't say alcohol is forbidden in Iran.
That's literally what I said.
You just said we're not going to drink for 2 weeks.
Alcohol is strictly forbidden in Iran.
You didn't say alcohol is forbidden in Iran.
That's literally what I said. Alcohol is strictly forbidden in Iran.
Salud, Maritza. I've got my Rusari on as well.
Our last drink in 2 weeks.
4 2 weeks.
Oh.
Yeah, ¿verdad? 1 0. Yek, Hitch. So, Hela, have your last wine for 2 weeks.
We will now show you the safety features on board.
What is that?
A hydrating mask. We've been flying for many hours. And you get dehydrated. Your skin gets dehydrated, so this is hydrating for the skin. I know I look funny, but I don't care. I really don't care. I should scare the kid.
What are you doing? Are you putting on nails?
No.
What?
Like, give me my personal space. I ordered the special vegetarian meal, and this is what I got. So it looks very good, very appetizing.
Oh, my hair is all messed up from my little nap. But I got veal and salad. And if you're a Faulty Tower fan, you know that veal is not the same as veal substitute.
That's veal.
No, this is a veal substitute.
We've got pomegranates in the salad here, which is getting us ready for Persian cuisine because pomegranates are a staple of the Persian diet. We got the chicken. Karina enjoys the cod.
But I had ordered a vegetarian meal and it looked not good at all. Like it looked just like diarrhea. I ordered the special vegetarian meal and this is what I got. So it looks very good, very appetizing. Like it looked just like diarrhea.
In America, we're used to having ice cream desserts, but what about just a cream dessert? I think that's cream, some chocolate, and more cream. Let's have a little peek inside here. Wow. So cream and cream. Smells good. Tastes like ice cream, but not cold. Yeah. If you warm ice cream up and it didn't melt, that's what this tastes like. That's really good. Really good. We have to get all our PDAs out of the way because it's not allowed in Iran. No public holding hands, even if it's your spouse, and no public kissing. So we're gonna make out for the next 3 hours. We are landing in Iran. You can see it outside right now. Admittedly, I feel excited, a little bit nervous, a little bit awestruck. This is such an exotic part of the world. I haven't been here so long. I haven't had slept for the last 36 hours, so a lot of emotions going through me right now. But yeah, wow, here we go.
I am ready.